Hello and welcome to Colorsmith CHROMA Color 5.1. Today we're going to demonstrate the laboratory dye machine's programming and versatility of what we think is probably the most energy efficient and versatile laboratory dye machine in the world. Today we're going to demonstrate the programming of a typical polyester program, showing you the various steps and holds. We're only going to use 4 pots, or sample dyeing pots, for speed and simplicity for you today.
We start at the main screen and do the profile select. For this example we're going to select profile 20, which is on the second page. There are 20 programs available. Each program has 10 steps. You can link 2 programs together to give you a 20-step program. So from the main screen again we can then go to profile view 1, which says program 20. To rename this, we'll just call this video 1. And enter it. Called it video 11, never mind. So step 1, we go from before you start the steps, you have to set the speed of rotation and the length of time for it to rotate in each direction. So we're turning the anti-clockwise rotation on, and then we set a speed of 20 RPM, enter it, and for the clockwise, turn that on, set a speed of rotation for 20 RPM, and then the time anti-clockwise, we're going to have it going that way for 5 minutes. And again clockwise for 5 minutes. In step 1, select the target temperature that you require it to go to, which in this case is 50 degrees. The rate of rise, we want it to go as fast as possible, so we know it can't achieve 7 degrees, so we set 7 degrees a minute, and this will negate any alarms. And we want it to dwell there for 5 minutes, or hold the temperature for 5 minutes. We don't want any operator alarm, but if we wanted an operator alarm at the end of this step, we just select the message by turning this on and entering. On step 2, we want the temperature to go up to 80 degrees C. And we want the rate of rise to be 1.5 degrees per minute. And we want a dwell time for it to hold that temperature for 10 minutes. We'll put an operator alarm in here of add alkali. All these messages you can change the name to whatever you wish. So at the end of this step, the operator alarm will sound. You can turn off the alarm, open the bath, do the required actions, shut the bath, and then advance on to the next step. On step 3, we need the temperature to go to 140 degrees C. That's a rate of rise of 0.8 degrees per minute, and we want it to hold there for 59 minutes. At the end of that step, we move on to step 4. We need a rapid cool, so we're going to cool it down to 80 degrees. So enter the 80 degrees, the rapid cool as fast as possible is 7 degrees, and we want it to hold there for 2 minutes. After that step, we want it to cool down to 40 degrees at 2 degrees a minute, and hold there for 10 minutes. and then end. So we put the end message in and we turn the off to on, and that will be the end of process. We then save the profile, saving it as in position 20, and then go back to the profile control. It shows that we've got video 11 here. As a quick check, we can look what we've programmed, the temperature up and down, and it's going to end at that point. So all these steps are negated. Back to there, press start. Can't press start without the lid now. Once it starts, it'll follow that profile.
Yeah, it's paused.
This shows the machine in operation. Normally when you lift the lid, the rotation and the heating will stop anyway. We've overridden this just for the video. So when we've got an operator call, we'd action the operator call and then use the inch button to get at the beakers and take them out and actually take the lid off and make any additions that we need to do. Reposition the beakers and move to the next one. Once all that's completed, you just close the lid and press the step on, which would move it to the next step.
Thank you for watching CHROMA Colour 5.1.